Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper of Saturday. Yes, it's Saturday, June 11th, 2022. I've already solved one puzzle, the 3 stars Sudoku. Two puzzles are left, the tectonic with 4 stars and the binary puzzle. The other 3 puzzles in this additional, I will do those tomorrow on Sunday, because on Sunday we don't receive any newspaper. And yeah, let me continue with the second one. Binary puzzle number 4686. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a column or in a row, there are always 4 O's and 4 1s. Alright, so let's get started. Double one, here no, there no. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double one, here no, there no. Yeah, between 2 O's comes in 1. 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 Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 1. So the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Then double O, here 1, there 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Now we have 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Then. Yeah, let me think. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 O's, wait, 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. 4 1s we have here in the last row, so the rest are O's. 3. Alright. And now, let me see. Do we need to compare? That's the question. Yeah. Think we need to compare. 3. Well, we have here 3 O's. If I place number 4 there, then we have 3 1s in a row in this column. Not allow one of the rules. So this can be no. This should be a 1. Okay. Interesting. Okay. I think we need to compare. Cannot compare this one. Can I compare this one then? No. Yeah. Complicated. Okay. 101. Do we have a 101 here? Yeah. This column and that column. We have a 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 empty box. Empty box 0 0. So we need to switch those 2 digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have a O here, this should be a 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 1s comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, yeah. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let me see which row can I compare. Well, I cannot compare this row. Double O can not this row. 11 here. No. No. So we need to compare the columns then. No, this O double no. O one. Hmm. Hmm. Difficult. 1, 2, 3. Overlooked. Double one. Here no, there no. Double O. Here one, there one. Double one. Here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between the O's comes a 1. Finish in 6 minutes. Overlooked the double. Well, I like this one. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle. A tectonic with 4 stars. Tectonic with 4 stars. Could be a hard one, could be an easy one. Well, until then, bye-bye for now.